Let's see. Okay. So they only eat what they like, so they don't want to eat this. So I just put it in. This is stuff that they refuse, so I just put it in there. That way, when that bowl gets filled, that goes to my chickens. That way, I'm not wasting it. So these are the bigger seeds. So they're getting quite a variety. So we don't need to do that. So now I have this. These are done. See, these are smaller. The smaller birds. The water isn't really that bad. The water gets sticky overnight, so I'm gonna go rinse this out. Okay, guys. Okay. All right, you guys are gonna get to see the turtle. He's actually out. Yeah, they've eaten my walls, and they've chewed all they eat the walls. They just eat them. And oh, he's out. I'm gonna show you quick while he's out, because you guys never get to see Snowden. Snowden, he's so shy. Not sure if you can see him. There. Where's your problem? That is Snowden. Stop it. So this is there's Snowden. He's got a pond to swim in. Yeah, I've been working out on my biceps. I am a bodybuilder, so I have a lot of muscle. That's why I weigh so much. There he is. Sativa is in there. The snake is all the way over. Oops. All right, there's my fish. Oh. See them. No, I'm keeping the bugs as pets. Thank you, Sarah. And I have fish in my bathroom, yeah.